guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. I just got out here after helping my brother move a fridge. So we are trying to do a little bit of fishing today. I have no idea what the fishing conditions are like right now. I'm just gonna throw what I actually have on my rod here. I just got the one and it is a spoon spinner thingy. This is actually an intercoastal bait that I had. I was using out at the beach yesterday. I didn't catch anything, I was just out there for fun. So let's throw out there, try to hook up. If not, I'll show you guys what I'm using next. I was using this yesterday at the beach. I got hit a couple of times, you can see by the scratches on it. This was a brand new bait, but nothing crazy. I did clean my bait, or my rod and reel and whatnot, because that's what you're supposed to do whenever you go saltwater fishing, so that the saltwater doesn't actually corrode your stuff. So hoping that with this bait I'll be able to get a lot more distance. I'm just gonna take a couple casts with it, nothing crazy. All right, we're gonna spike this bait here. It's a weedless red shad, so we're gonna hold it in there. There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna cast it up along this bank here to where I think there might be some bass. Oh no, I had one, just a little baby one. Now only using about half a worm. Somebody suggested to do this in the comment section of my last video where I kept losing fish and they were small and whatnot, so I'm gonna try this out. See if I don't have any luck with that. Oh no, I felt them. I felt them. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh wow, that's a heavy one. Oh, come on, come on. Alrighty. There we go, not a bad little fish, and that worked perfectly, by the way. Can't recall right now who told me that trick, but worked perfectly. You know, saying go in half. Just a little baby one, nothing, nothing big. Throw him back. Nice, that was right up against that brush line there, so I'm gonna try that again and see if I can't get another one. Casting it directly into a tree. Good job, Alex, 10 out of 10 there, buddy. That's what happens when you don't check your knot, is you break off it, like an amateur. So, I'm gonna go retie. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is a bass right there, and we're gonna try to get him real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, get out from under that wood. No, come here. Oh yeah. There we go. Right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that little tiny Senko, or a little tiny trick worm. Go get a quick weight on this guy. 2.86. Not a bad bass. Not a bad bass at all. Super light, but now I've got the weight on this guy. We're gonna let him go. All right, we're gonna get his release here. Come on. There you go. There he goes, back down to the depths. Look at what I caught that bass on. Look at that. That's it. Just a little, it's half a trick worm. Dipped in garlic scent, gives a little fluorescent color in the actual water, which is pretty nice, I think. But I actually had it caught on a tree branch. Because it was caught on that tree branch, I was bobbing it like in and out of the water. I'll try to zoom in on it and like show you guys. If I was able to do that, you guys just saw that. If I wasn't, I'm sorry. But I had it caught over a tree branch and I was like bobbing it in and out of the water like something was stuck in the water. And the bass just came up and just smoked it. It was crazy. Okay guys, so that concludes this portion of the video, but I don't want to end the video yet, so I'm just gonna okay, well, now that we've magically transported to the ViStar in Fleming, we're gonna be fishing this area here. I've already been here for about 10 or 20 minutes. It was raining a little bit, so I had my camera in the waterproof case. I will play a clip, hopefully, of you hearing me and watching me catch this bass. Oh yeah, there's one. There's one. Oh, get over here. Yeah. Ooh, it's a big one too. Oh my goodness, look how He inhaled that thing. Good Lord. I hope you guys can hear me because like I said, my thing's in a bag. But look at that. That's a nice solid top water. Oh, kicking bass. Oh yeah, he swallowed that good. All right, there we go. There's that top water plug I was using. Good solid bass. Really long, not too fat. Feels about a pound, pound and a half maybe. So pretty good. We're gonna let him go and hopefully get some more. We're gonna let him go right here. Oh, perfect. You guys, that was probably hard for you to see because I was leaning down the wrong way, but nice top water action there. There you go, a little top water plug action. Right now I'm gonna be throwing, I'm seeing what I think are beds, possibly tilapia beds. Honestly, I don't know. I'm just gonna throw some stuff and see what works. I've switched sides. The vegetation I've seen has been ridiculously more grown than what it was last year. And I believe that the reason for that is all the tilapia died in that freeze that we had. So we get rid of the herbivores and the plants will come back. So that's good. Alrighty, I've dipped the claws here. I mean, let's be real. What bass wouldn't want to eat that, you know? Although it is now coffee and garlic flavors, so I should say scented. So we interrupt your regularly scheduled fishing content to bring you that. Is that a muskrat? What is that? That thing's, that is, whatever it is, it's huge. Like, good God, that looks like a giant chinchilla. Good Lord. I'm pretty sure I just had a bite right off the edge of this weed bank here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a definite bass. Get over here. Oh yeah. All right in the top of the mouth too. 10 out of 10 on that one. Look at that, perfect. Popped right out. Great bass on that crawl there. Awesome bass, probably, I don't know, half pound, I don't know. The other one is definitely bigger, longer, but this one, you know, pretty healthy bass overall, good color on him. Nice little belly, we're gonna let him go here. Yeah, I know. Okay, all right, okay. Well, he definitely wanted to get back. Wow, okay. Really wish I was in a kayak right now, because if I was in a kayak, I could easily work my way along this bank in the water and cast parallel to it. I mean, I'm trying to do that here, but it's a lot harder because I'm on shore. And I'm doing my best, but you know, you can really only do so much when you're on shore, so we're gonna work with what we got. I'm pretty sure they're bedding. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah. That means they're always really big when you ski them across the top of the water like that. That means they're huge. Oh, there you go. You found your fight. Right in the top of the mouth again. Popped right out. Perfect. All right, so that's bass number 5, I believe. Not as big as the first one, but smaller than the second one. He's got this weird, like, I don't know, wound on his tail. That's weird. But there you go. You get this guy released right where we caught him. Wow. Okay, all right, okay. There you go, you want to go out. Well, all right, like I was saying. I'm gonna go out, come back in. So that's, it's now 3 bass at this spot. 2 bass before I magically time traveled here. So we're doing pretty good. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of 9 to 4 Fishing. If you guys like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna be doing some more saltwater videos coming up here in the future. Hopefully with kayak, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe some shark fishing videos. If that's something you wanna see, let me know down in the comments below. I will see you guys next time.